Hello everybody, welcome to Nina's Cookbook. Today we're making part 2 of the series Aloo Puri. In my previous episode I made aloo, which was potatoes in tomato sauce, and this time we're going to be making puri, which is essentially like a small tortilla or a round flattened bread that you're going to fry it in oil, and it gets all puffy and flaky and yummy and pairs really well with the tomatoes and the potatoes that we made in our previous episode. Let's get started. If you like what you see, I'd love for you to support the channel by pressing the subscribe button and clicking the bell icon next to it to be alerted each time I post a video. To get started, we will first make a dough of 1 cup of atta or whole wheat flour, 1/4 cup of suji or semolina, 1 teaspoon of ajwain or carom seeds, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes or powder, a drizzle of oil and salt to taste. We will mix all these dry ingredients together and make a soft but firm dough using a little water. Now you can totally make these puris just out of whole wheat flour. So why are we adding the semolina or suji here? This is because suji makes the puris a little firm, makes them hold their shape and puffiness longer, and makes them really flaky, or as in Hindi we say, khasta. So now that we've kneaded the dough, we're going to just let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Next, we'll make little balls out of the dough and roll them out into little tortillas or rotis. This much dough makes about 8 puris. That's enough for 2 people or 1 very hungry person. Next comes the frying. I've heated up on high some canola oil in a pan or a kadhai and will carefully put in the rolled up puris into it. Frying puris is really quick once the oil is heated. So what I like to do is roll out all the puris first and then fry them all in one go. Look like you're on an assembly line. These puris are best enjoyed hot with aloo tomato that I made in my previous video, or with just about anything you like. Hey, you're the boss of your puris, so enjoy them any way you like. So let me take one and open it up and show you how firm it is and how flaky and delicious these are. So thank you for spending time with me. I hope you like that recipe and you'll try it out and you'll let me know what you think of it, because your feedback is super important to me. I look forward to meeting you next time. Till then, take care, happy living, and bye-bye.